sama contestant 3, 5, 9, 4. Medium, low more. On this 2-day tour, you'll be judged in 2 different categories, that is Miss Personality, then also Miss Perfect 10. Let me just elaborate before we switch on to the main work. Your vital statistics, we have to make a Hataka, like measurement plus your weight. Vital statistics consist of your bust, then your waist, then your hips, your body weight, how heavy and light you are. Then combining of all these will look you into the category whether all this height is proportionate to your body. Your nagiknato, nadinto, na kong hiam, na waistline hiam, the body structure itself. Like there we'll see how proportionate you are. Me tall yet from the hip, you know, and this side is short. I don't say that none of you will be there like that, but you'll see. Then of all this will be even out of 10. That means 5, 6, 7, the way your body structure is. That is for Miss Perfect 10. Then in Miss Personality, the places where we are going to visit, they are not lucky enough to have parents like we all have. That you should keep in mind. Or they are not as clean as we all are, where they are addicted to something, they are habituated to something, either smoking, drinking, drugs, and whatever. Society we have to really care them. They can't get out of that. Because of that, okay, we are another human being. Amao gi bang bang ihi lo ha ini amao sama sezo ki he tu mole mi mu het lo amao tu ava khamta wa ava omdu ta ta hi le en agu ka bang zabia in ha kwa ma te lo. We are not blacklisted like that, but we may not be as good as or as bad as all those people. So your conduct and turnout. Tâm vào lên không hiểu cái hồn hoặc nào cái không anh yêu bọn nghĩ lại cái không khác cái luôn sống kia tại bề nguồn kia này vào cái họ phải chịu và lúc đó lên đó cho nó then you smile and you come back to them, you know. Telephone hỏng cái là nắng quay pick your number. This remains till the contest ends. Tell me your number and name. Number? First one? 3. Grace. Formal. Two bamboos. 7. Number 3 and 10. Number 2. Please get down. Press. Yeah. 4. Okay.
5.
Neih.
Neih. What neih? Yeah. Full neih.
Hiangtam neih.
Hiangtam neih. Để thêm nữa đấy. 6.
Hiai luôn.
Hiai luôn. 7. Mai con nhiều. 8.
Trên này về.
So, we are left out. Kim neih vậy. Okay. Kim neih vậy. Niang vậy gì? Kim neih vậy niang vậy gì? 1, 2. Sure. Okay, we're going to skip the.
Hello, cô em này. Okay, Maradona.
One and 2 will be Miss Kim Neih, either Kim Neih or Niang Hqrts. So contestant number 3 is Grace. 4 is Melody. 5 Hiangtam neih. 6 Niang Hqrts. Niang mo. 7 Ngai Khan Nim. 8 Gen.Hqrts. 9 Eloy. 10 Bella. 11 Rem Kim. 12 Mercy. 13 Jenny. Thank you all. I hope most of you have given me the names of your designer and one attendant. Mercy and Melody you didn't give me. That you have to give it to me because we are going to allow only 2 persons for one contestant to enter your dressing room. Then we are going to issue this pass. Like
hello and welcome you all. It's a great pleasure for us to see you. For those of you who are here for the first time, we would like to brief you a little bit of what we have planned for this Miss Contest. Okay. For those of you who were there during our first briefing, it may be repetitions, but bear with us. Okay. There could be some changes here and there. Regarding the prize money, as we have notified before, Miss is 5,000 plus incentive. We have been running around for the incentive gift hampers. Quite a good number of items have been promised for the Miss and also for the contestants. And for those of our ladies who could not come and participate in this program, I believe they are going to miss a lot as far as the gift hamper is concerned. And you are fortunate in the sense that it's not an open invitation, but you are the chosen one from your own community, and from the selected few, we are going to choose only Miss Zomi, but a peace ambassador for us in the days to come. Okay, we're looking for the quality. We'll be looking for the quality that you all have. Okay, we'll try to see through the beauty. That beauty, we don't have to emphasize a lot for the beauty because you all are beautiful enough. we want to see through something beyond that beauty and select one who would be our peace ambassador for peace in our future. So we want to engage you at least for 1 year to move around with the leaders wherever there is a missions for peace and communal harmony. Okay. I hope as you've undertaken in your form, as well as that have been countersigned by your respective organizations, we hope that you are willing and is available for the same missions. You should remember that you have a mission in this Miss Contest. Okay, that mission is to promote peace amongst us. Okay, and as an exercise to that, the organizing committee is looking not only as for open competitions, but representative competitions from each of our communities. As a mode of communications, we'll prefer that you use English as far as possible. We'll try to communicate you with English as far as possible. But if you use your own dialect, we have no problems. Because as Phu Kevom have correctly said, this is the Pentecostal town of the Zomi. Okay? This is our Pentecostal town. You should not hesitate to speak in your dialects also, but still, as a mode of instructions of our main communications, we prefer that we all use English. Okay, but obviously you cannot use English when you go for visiting the patient in civil hospital. And I will come back a little bit to the incentive, cash incentive. There are two types of interpretations that one can make in regards to the consolation prize that we have mentioned. It is not participation prize, okay? Don't confuse with consolation prize. We have identified for Miss number 1, Miss number 2, and Miss number 3. They all have cash prize and 3 subtitles, that is personality, perfecting, as well as Miss photogenic. They'll all have cash incentive. And apart from that, if you're not a little bit lucky enough with your fellow contestant to receive all that title and subtitle prizes, we still have prize for you, okay? That is participant consolation prize.
Have a thorough rehearsal with it, or trained by someone expert. So while we wait for the two, might be the luckiest one, they have come a bit late. I think I still have to wait for them, otherwise I have to redo the whole thing again for the 3rd time. So we'll just wait for them. And in the meantime, for those who have missed the first briefing, let me elaborate once again and tell you that, okay, after the now we were expecting 20 contestants, out of which 13 is supposed to be the actual number. If that is the case, then like we might come down to, instead of 3 semi-finalists plus subtitle holders of Miss Personality, perfect 10. What is the other one? Photogenic. Apart from those 3, these 3 people have got a license to enter straight away to the semi-finalist. I was telling your friends, girls, that 3 girls who are a title holder of the 3 prestigious of the subtitles, they have got a ticket, they have got a license to enter straight away into the semi-finalists. Okay.
Ga Muon In at Bijak. That will be our program for today. Now we'll start our tour. Before going out for the tour, I'll ask Ga Muon to have a prayer. Let's all stand up.
This is a time which you have given us, and we human beings made out a plan, chalk out a plan, without knowing that what can happen to us. Yet we have seen the day, and we are here to start and work to different places of our destination, so that we can get a good response from the people whom we are going to pay them a visit, knowing that those places are not a place where they have all the opportunities like what we all have. Make us to understand them better while we interact with them. Help us to have not only the thought as a competition, but to understand the infants, the children, the grown-ups, the sick people. We know that these people are beautiful, as we all are.
Thì đăng này lâu mò mà hi thì sunu ta nát khawmpihna chen chuan dam na ding chỉ là
tempat ini yo besar dengan kita hilang hi yang mana yang tambah para kontor semua hi kurang Lamka Damdawi Inn Zomi dia Damdawi Inn Lamka Damdawi
Rengkai.
Rengkai rồi.
Mapanda.
Itu telak munte.
Entang hit. Lamka entang. Okey pagi tu tang. Sibai tang.
Khenkhat ama tuam đâu lắm về khenkhat cái thầy tuam đi nó
Kêu mà Zomi năm này đi biển ăn Jadi teman pikiran kali itu mau juga ada tam Marving mo hi, alam mo na.
Ano an accident.
Marving Byzantine ka na. Zomi nang ni nang ko mo. Ibi ki unaw kata om silang mo. Tingin lang. Zono ni na.
Kozalo tang. Two, three, four, five. Hey! Có sẵn chưa?
Twelve is like
Rare too. It's rare too.
ไม่ใช่ผักโอ้ไม่ที่ว่าไม่ใช่นี่อะไรกันยามินนะนี่
elbow too. Rice.
ไม่เอา
Arbenga.
เราเนี่ยโอ้ไม่เอา
Bella.
and your name my name
My name is Hiangtam and my father name is Ga Muon In.
ข้าวเฮียวัน
Ga Muon In.
ข้าวเฮียฮัลโหล
My name is Liz and my father name is Ga.
เราคือฮัลโหลช่วยเรียนไปฟังเลยอันนี้
My name is Mobi. My father name is Benjamin Hqrts.
โอ้ยไม่ไม่
I'm Ella Thailand and my father name is Tengteng Zakap.
ข้าวข้าวเหนียวนี่ว่าข้าวเพื่อข้าวของเรานะข้าวทั้งหมดข้าวข้าวเพื่อพวกข้าวร้อยข้าวเพื่อแล้วโอ้
I'm Grace. My father name and my name is Hiangtam. My father name is Phak.
โอ้
My name is Hiai. My father name is Hiangtam. My name is Neih. My father name is phak. My name is my father is teaching Hiangtam.
เฮ้ย
I'm teaching Hiangtam from the north.
ที่นี่อะไร
My name is Konsti. My father name is Hiangtam from Gen.Hqrts.
ยังข้าวยังค่ะไอ้
It's good. We have to be a teacher's warden and who guide you. Okay? William. Nani mo hindi hindi William.
join the train.
God bless you. Say thank you. Yeah. Welcome.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Nice. Love.
chin chikum bang tang. No, don't.
You want everybody there? What's your solution? Everyone? That's it? 1, 2. If you're happy and you really want to say it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Clap. Just clap it.
Like you all of my day, I want to pray the wonders of your mind.
Just lift your hand like this.
Is done for us, and now let the wind say I am strong, let the force say I am.
Thank you, boys.
For he is worthy to be praised. Hosanna.
Yeah, it's there. Pathini nei sim tai ti ha pa na lahong pan dingo le kha sim na le la ha sim so sim tu sang mo tu chu le sim bu ko na chu mo.
You want to sing like me? I'm also always time sing where I have been studying.
Tangin ke ka siam ke zongin mi te nong de ke zongin to pa o nang ma na se mi nong zangin ji mo ki apin wai le a teacher te in akai lai siam lo haina kai sang mai mai niu amin mai mai ji mo kai sa ku ai ne a hi le ama be lai siam lo hi ha to pa kyang a ki ap to pa o nang ma na sim ding in ke yong zangin ji mo.
For the spirit of every nation.
This coming 20, we're going to celebrate.
Where
Public ground, no? Public ground. Going to your
nang ni lenin big lagani in big inti phalen thoyam mo chulo do lenin big ti jo vein ti nang ni kom ai chun
I'm so glad you're in my life. I'm so glad you came to save us. You came from heaven to earth.
clear your throat? Yes! Okay. 1, 2, 3! Ôm sạch lại đi. Ôm sạch lại đi. Không phải.
Lamka buka love, peace and unity by total women volleyball final. The Goyo or Sas, Siwaye, and became Makainu, Damdawi Inn, Taga Ide, power. Then in Sakimoli, Kina, Mona, Falcona, Tupiani, and Sakimoli. Kimol Zen, Zin Kual Zen, before home Zen, he won.
Any more problem? Any problem? Is this okay?
Obela Zomi namni lokna asuk tiki panai tamarina. Kelama nasetaka Miss contestant nongdewa Hiangtam apelua. tua mabau na le no lo chino kon do sakwa
Class that lesson. 7. Nang la.
Numpi.
Class 7.
9.
Hey, nice class.
Bitin.
Napa ma bitin na ko? Nang la. Chin.
Hi, I'm Miss Zeni. Don't feel ashamed. We'll just talk frankly, and whatever you want to talk to me, and whatever you want to ask to me.
Say kulun.
Say khulun na. Nang la.
Nam khogin.
Now.
Pause.
Pause. Class is that.
4.
4. Class is that now.
3.
3. Nang la.
4.
Nang la.
2.
2. Nang la.
4.
4.
My. Yeah, Dad.
Lalam. Hey, you have such a nice name. Then what work did you do here? Did you also do work? You? I'm on
Jesus is the way. Jesus is the answer for the world today. Above him there's no other. Jesus is the way. Jesus loved me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong, they are weak but he is strong. Yeah, Jesus loved me. Yeah, Jesus loved me. Yeah, Jesus loved me. The Bible tells me so.
Can I ask you what your aim in life again? What is your aim in life? Please tell me.
My aim in life is pilot.
Your aim in life is pilot.
Yes.
Yes, very good. And then you?
Pastor.
And then?
Officer.
Yes, very good. Of all this, if you want to success in your life, please always remember God and pray to God, okay? Then you will always success in your life, okay?
Unto him shall the gathering of the people be. We are gathering together unto him. We are praising together unto him. We are praising together unto
Thank you very much for your cooperations. I'm glad that we have had the initial interaction with my beautiful ladies. Now we would like to have a small fellowship together with the leadership of our contestants. Okay? I'd like to invite, if there is any contestant who can lead us for singing, 1 or 2 songs might be. Anyone?
Give thanks with a holy give thanks because Jesus Christ is Lord. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks with a holy give thanks because Jesus Christ is Lord.
from your side.
God is good, God is so good. His people, He held in times of need. Who hide in Him, He keeps them all safely. God is so good, God is trustworthy. Whom shall I trust except you, our Lord? I trust you when you are Lord, no Lord. I could find out no one like you are. There's nothing you cannot do, oh Lord. Almighty God, may your name be great.
God is good.
All the time.
God is good.
All the time.
God is good.
All the time.
Thank you. Now, if anyone from the children wants to sing, any one of you, or recite a verse of the Bible or anything like that? Okay. Anyway, that's all right. But he became. It's because he has faith in God, and his God is leading all through his life. And in fact, he became one of the most popular president of USA. And also one of the most handsome. Is not it? He's much more handsome than George Bush. Huh? So let us draw our strength and encouragement from the example that Jesus set for us. Let us, as a participant, have just pointed out, let us encourage ourselves. Let God be our strength. Let God be our guide. Let God be our shepherd. Then, in spite of the odds, in spite of the difficulties that we face today and tomorrow, God is going to lead us through.
Bye-bye.